And once you're logged into your HostGator account, you should see the control panel right here. And there should be a bunch of different links. And right at the top, you should see the popular links. And what we're going to do is install WordPress. So right over here, you should see a link that says build a new WordPress site. Go ahead and just click on this. And now you should be on the install settings page. And what you want to do is type in a blog title right here and then create a username. So I just typed in admin and then put in your first and last name and an admin email address. And you can always change the blog title a little bit later. So don't worry about what you put in right now. Just type something in and you can change this later if you want. And once you're ready, come down here and check these two boxes and then just click on the install button right here. And once WordPress is installed, you should see this notification right here and you should see a username and password. If you want, you can write this down and then click on the button right here and log into your WordPress account. Or what you can do is go to your email inbox and you should see an email from HostGator right here. And the title should be install complete. And if you click on this, you'll see the same login details right here. And what we want to do is click on the admin URL to log into our WordPress website. So what I want you to do is click on this link. And once you're on the login page, all you have to do is put in your username and the password from the install email. And once you do, go ahead and click on the login button.